Hi, I'm Nikolai from Water and Life. Today I'm going to show you how Lifestraw works. Lifestraw is the Time Magazine Best Invention of the Year winner, and it's extremely easy to use. It works exactly like a normal straw. Just sit down at any open water source and you can instantly start to drink. The very first time you use the straw, you need to apply a bit of extra pressure because the membrane is dry. After that, the water runs smoothly. The hollow fiber membrane will filter out all bacteria, parasites and turbidity to the highest standards, making the Lifestraw perfect for all outdoor activities as well as traveling or as an emergency preparedness tool. The Lifestraw was developed for extreme conditions like natural and humanitarian disasters in primarily Africa, where it has been used during most natural disasters the last 5 years, saving numerous lives. The filter is therefore extremely reliable and very safe to use. The Lifestraw works without any chemicals, batteries or electricity, and there's also no iodine or carbon in the filter. Just to show you how easy it is to use, I'll just scoop up some water in a glass. Now you can start to drink immediately. And when you're done drinking, just blow back through the filter to clean it out, close it, and the Lifestraw is ready for the next adventure. With most water filters, you often have to worry about when it stops working. You don't have that problem with Lifestraw. Eventually, when the Lifestraw has reached its capacity of minimum 1000 liters, the membrane inside the straw will start to close down and it will become more and more difficult to get water through the straw. This indicates that it's time to change the straw. It is a simple but also very safe functionality, which ensures that you never risk drinking contaminated water.
This is the Grylls tinderbox. It has a grater-like steel cutting surface for making tinder and a tray underneath to catch the shavings. After shaving wood into the tray, push the button for easy removal of the tinder. Next, empty the dry tinder contents onto the collected items you'll be burning. Never start a fire in the collection tray. If your matches are wet or your fire starter is not handy, use the tinderbox's magnifying glass to ignite the tinder. When finished, place the plastic cover over the cutting surface for safe storage. An emergency signaling mirror is located on the underside, and the Grylls Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide is also included. An innovative lightweight lifesaver. This is the Grylls tinderbox.
Hi, my name is Stuart Yo. I'm from Salt Lake City, Utah, and this is my backyard. I've grown up exploring these mountains, camping, backpacking, fishing, and skiing. When you're in the wilderness, a variety of jobs can come up, but you need to be picky about your gear when every ounce counts. I realized I needed a lightweight tool that could do multiple tasks. I'd like to introduce the SPARtool. The SPARtool is a shovel, an axe, a machete, a saw, a hammer, a pick, a pry bar, and a bottle opener. SPARtool weighs less than 3 pounds and is constructed from spring-tempered 1075 carbon steel and shatterproof Zytel polymer. Its solid build has no hinge or other moving parts, making it lighter and more durable than the competition. Its sharpened edge cuts deep with every swing. Its handle and cutting surfaces are aligned to ensure a safe and effective stroke. The blade splits wood apart. The saw rips through just about anything. And of course, it digs like a champ. The SPARtool is perfectly balanced, making the reverse end just as useful. It hammers. It unhammers. The spike excels at demolition. The pry bar is tough and versatile. And it opens up your favorite beverage after all that work.
The best survival kit is the one you wouldn't think of entering the untamed world without. It's small, compact, easy to use, and multifunctional. It can be taken anywhere. Knowing what this ultra-portable toolkit provides creates peace of mind. Remember, the MS5 is the easiest survival toolkit to carry, and one you'll never want to leave behind. The motion grade MS5 lets you blend in with nature and take advantage of all its beauty. It comes with a world-class water purifier. Explore the entire jungle without losing your sense of direction with the rugged military-style compass that efficiently puts you right on track. Survival requires the right set of tools and skills. With its easy fit blades, magnesium fire starter, folding grill, and flashlight, the MS5 has you covered. Precision and perfection are easily blended. Using premium materials, we have forged life-saving tools, creating a strong yet stylish product. We go above and beyond the contemporary to integrate more usefulness in every product. The MS5 has what you need to survive: a USB charger, SOS GPS tracker, a micro burner, fishing tackle, plus many more essentials. Support our Kickstarter today and share with us any feedback or thoughts you think will improve the MS5. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family.
Black outfit on, I already bagged most of the chicks that you out here trying to get on. You just catching up to what I've been on. Yeah, that's what I've been on.
I see what you're trying to do, that's not even kinda new. That's that shit I've been on.